Hello dear friends, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very healthy one. We are going to make quinoa pulao with vegetables. Now quinoa we all know is a super healthy grain. People have started using it a lot these days in various recipes. You can make idlis, dosas, you can make khichdi, pulao, upma, even flour is available. You can also make rotis. You can use all the vegetables of your choice or whatever is available at home, and with some spices this delicious quinoa pulao is ready. You won't even require any side dish to go with it. Simple papad and curd is just enough to relish it. Shall we make it? Here I have taken 1 cup of quinoa, wash it very well several times, strain the water and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. After soaking, you can see the grains are nice and soft. Now for the vegetables, I've taken beans, broccoli, some green peas, half a carrot diced and some mushrooms. Then we have onion 1 sliced, handful of coriander leaves, 1 tomato diced, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, green chilies 2, and a small piece of ginger grated. And here are the spices required: 1 bay leaf, cumin seeds half teaspoon, cloves 5 or 6, star anise 1, cinnamon 2 small pieces, and spice powders we have taken coriander powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, you can add more if you like, salt to taste, cumin powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, and garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon. Oil about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Add the whole spices first. Toss them until they are aromatic. Now add the ginger and garlic. Saute it a bit until it changes the color. Now dip in the onion. Stir fry the onion until it becomes translucent. Keep stirring. You can cover it and cook it on low flame for some time. You can see now it's perfect. Now you can add the tomato and green chilies. Give them a mix and cover the lid so that the tomatoes get cooked. After simmering for half a minute or so, you can see now the tomatoes are soft. At this stage, you can add all the vegetables. You can take any vegetable of your choice or whatever is available at home. Give them a stir, cover, again simmer for half a minute. Now add the salt and spice powders. Give it a nice mix. Add 1/4 cup of hot water. After mixing everything, cover the lid and we will let the vegetables cook until they are half done. This will take about a minute or so. Now you can add the quinoa, soaked quinoa. If it is very well soaked, it gets cooked faster. For 1 cup of quinoa, I am adding 2 cups of hot water. Always add hot water for best results. Stir everything very well and check the salt before letting it cook, because later on it cannot be added. Some coriander leaves and then Cover and cook on medium flame first. After some time, open the lid and give it a stir. Now you can reduce the flame and cook for 10 minutes. You can see now the water is all absorbed very well. You can fluff it up with the ladle. Now keep it for dum again for 1 minute on low flame. Now we have the perfect texture. Quinoa pulao is ready. You may think it's little mushy, but it will be okay after you rest it for some time. Just before you serve, you'll see that texture will be really grainy and perfect. Give it a gentle stir. You can see the difference now. Delicious quinoa pulao is ready. Let's dish it out. Friends, quinoa is a very healthy grain, rich in protein, and it's gluten free. So you should consume it. You can replace your rice with this grain sometimes, occasionally, not all the time, but it's good to consume it sometimes. You can make variety of dishes, different dishes. Garnish with some coriander leaves to make the dish more presentable. Garnishing always makes it appealing to the eyes. You can enjoy this pulao with just papad, some salad or raita. Lovely. So friends, I hope you like this easy peasy quinoa pulao, healthy, nutritious. Give it a try. Check out the other quinoa recipes as well. The links will be given in the description box. Thank you for watching, and check out these videos from the archives as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.